Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of creative card design for social media or any other use. You can see we have some spiral lines and this go through and below the people, and I will teach you how you can do this kind of design. So start from the beginning. So to do make this kind of design, what you need to do, you just need to insert a shape from this element section. You can see if I go to the shape section, you can see a lot of shape from here, and you need to choose this shape. So it has a round corner but it's a box, so I'm just going to make one design for you to learn how you can do this. So this is our box, one box. We make another one, copy. So this is our second box. Now you can just change the color to any color you want. I'm going to change it to the red, and this one will be orange. And this is our two box. Now we want to add some people inside here, so I'm just going to search for some man faces. So I'm going to use it from here, like we can use this one. Now click on edit image and then remove the background from here. That's it. Now we use this one. With this kind of design you can create team photos for your team in your company, and it will really look very good on any presentation or anywhere you want to place them. So let's put it like this. So this is our two photo, one is for this and this one. Now to add this kind of spiral line that's go above and below of the person, you just need to go to the element section and search for spiral lines. You can see under the graphics section you will see this kind of spiral line and you can add it. So I'm going to first show this one how you can place this. So I'm just going to select it, change the color to white so it's look really good. You can rotate it as you want, so I'm going to rotate it like this. Let's make it like this. Now you need to select the person, duplicate it and place it just the size you want to put it, the same size. Now just crop it like this from this side also. See, now from this side also. That's it. Now you can see you have the spiral design just below and front of this person, and it's really look very nice. We can also do it with some other design that you see on my thumbnail of this video. So we can just add this design also. Let's do some random design through this. So I'm going to use this one, change the color to white. I think white color looks really nice with this kind of background. So we can also zoom. Now we enlarge the spiral like this. That's it. Now again we're going to copy the photo again, just duplicate it, put it in front of this like the same place. Now just crop it like this, or if you want you can just increase it like this. So that's it. Now you can see we have this two spiral design. If you want we can also make one more complex one. You can also do it, just move it like here, move it here. I'm just going to do another one just right here. Change the color to one more color, let's say this one, and insert another man from here. So let's again use this one. Now you can just edit the spiral line again from here. I'm going to use the spiral line graphics. Go to the graphics section, you will find more better icons and lines from here. Now we are going to this complex design, change the color. That's it. Now again we are going to copy the person, put it like this. Now just crop it through this. Now you can see there is a problem we're facing right now. So you can see we are having this line correct, but here you can see this portion is on top of our person, but we want to crop this part only. So what we can do, we can just select this part, this line. Now copy it again and paste it. Okay, we pasted it. Now go to edit image, then go to crop, and then you can just crop it from here. Sorry, I mean we need to copy this man headshot, duplicate it and place it again at the right place, then go to edit image, then go to crop. Now we will only put this part here to make it look the best. Like, see, you can just make it like this and just save the image. That's it. So now you can see we don't have any extra part in front of the person. We have copied the part that we are blocking through this line. So now you can see we have a really good looking card for our team members, or we can use for any other design. So by this way you can create this kind of design inside your Canva. I hope this video helped to create some creative design inside your Canva. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video with some cool new tips for Canva. So thank you.